So we finished the mini project. Now let's start with the task for our lesson 2. So let's create a scene first. So we'll call it the lesson 2 task. And we also need to save our project scene, and let's see if it has saved or not. And inside our lesson 2 tasks, what tasks do we have? We have ammo counter and visibility toggler and a speed booster. So for the ammo counter, let's create the scripts. Ammo counter, toggle visibility, and speed booster. Ammo counter, toggle visibility. And finally, speed booster. And we'll simply attach it to a test game object. And as it is going to need a visibility toggler, so we'll attach a sprite renderer. And let's add the sprite, which is going to be the 9 sliced, and we'll attach the player movement script here. We don't need it. Let's attach all 3 of the scripts here, and we'll start directly editing the scripts. So toggle visibility, speed booster, and ammo counter. So let's first start with the ammo counter. Again, the ammo counter is similar to the health, but instead of our health, we are decreasing the ammo. Start is empty, update is empty. No, so let's create a serialized field, have it in ammo count, and private in current. And inside our start, we are going to set our current ammo to ammo count, and inside our update, when we press space, we'll decrease the ammo. When we press R, we are going to reload, and if current ammo is 0, then we'll ask it to reload. It is simple. Let's go to toggle visibility. Again, for toggling the visibility, we just need the sprite render component, and we'll just disable it. So serialize field and sprite render, and we'll just call it no need to. Inside the start, we'll get the render, and inside of the update, we are going to press the V key, so it is going to toggle the visibility, and before that we need to check if the render is equals to null, and if it is null, then we'll debug the log warning sprite render component is missing. And again, that was for the renderer. And again, inside our speed booster, let's put it in the correct namespace. And to check how it is going to work, make a player move at 5 speed normally, but double speed when holding shift. So it is similar to a player movement. So, serialize speed. This auto complete private. Why it is going. So let's see what our autocomplete does. Boost multiplier, boost duration, original speed is boosted, boost and time, activate speed boost, deactivate speed boost, get components, speed controller. Again, complicated. I'm not going to use this. And let's create realize speed, private float. And first we are just going to use the original speed. So the original speed is going to be 5f, and we'll use the current speed. Let's make it pretty simple. Just press the update. And if it is boosted, get key down B and get key up. And transform node translate v3 dot forward for the current speed. So, and here we need the left shift. Get e. Current speed is equals to original speed multiplied by 2. And when we release, I mean, previously it was better. V3 dot forward multiplied by current speed multiplied by, it is moving in the z direction. We don't need it to move in the z direction. We are going to have it move in the right direction. So that was it for the code. Let's go inside Unity and let's see what we need to do. So original speed is 5, toggle visibility, render. We are automatically assigning it. So we can remove the serialized field. And ammo counter, original speed. So it is going to move when we press the left shift. Okay. Something happened. Okay, the current speed is not set, so at default it is 0, so it is not moving. And when I press left shift, it is going to move. So let's check the visibility. So as you can see, the visibility is getting toggled. Let's test the ammo counter. So we have the space and the reload. So the bullets are decreasing, and when we hit 0 out of ammo, it is going to ask us to reload. And again, we can shoot. Finally, when we press shift, let's fix that bug. So let's go inside Visual Studio. Inside our speed booster, the starting speed was not set. So inside the start method, our current speed was the original speed. And yeah, that should be it. So to see if it is working or not, let's increase the size of our main camera. So as you can see, this is our player, and currently it is going to start moving. And when we press shift, it is going to speed boost it to 10. So there's a problem. Current speed is equals to original speed, original get key down and get key up. Hmm, let's also debug.log current speed so we can know what is the current speed. Hmm. So the current speed is 5, current speed is 10, and the current speed is still 10. So the get key up is not working correctly. So let's go inside the speed booster and let's fix it. So if input dot okay, here it is B, that was the issue. So if we pass the left shift, then it is going to work. Now let's go inside Unity and we'll also won't need the debug.log, but let's have it there. So see what issues again may arise. So as you can see, the current speed is 5, and if you press space, it is going to increase and the speed is boosted. So that's it for the lesson 2. Now let's go to the lesson 3.